Discover the future of AI applications with MimicPC, which is a cutting edge cloud based platform that brings you powerful AI tools to your fingertips without needing any high performance hardware. And it's perfect for developers, your artists, and even your tech enthusiasts. So, MimicPC provides seamless access to popular applications like Stable Diffusion, ComfyUI, and it's more directly from your browser. So in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit more about it, and I'm going to walk you through it and show you actually how it works. So just taking a look here on the screen, you can see it's very interesting and pulling up, and they give you a lot of reasons why you should choose them. Like, for example, the cloud-based convenience. You're going to be able to operate exclusively in cloud, eliminating the constraints of expensive hardware or even GPUs, and we all know that those can be quite expensive. The browser accessibility, right? So you can actually effortlessly run AI applications like Stable Diffusion, ComfyUI, Automatic 1111, and others from the browser. Very fast, very easy. The flexible pricing as well. Now, the flexible pricing benefits as a pay-as-you-go model, so that way it ensures cost effectiveness and ensures that there's no upfront investments as well. And if you're a green energy kind of person, well, guess what? It's energy efficient as well. Intelligent resource management, it optimizes energy usage and promoting sustainability. And if you're like me and you have a lot of problems, well, they have a 24/7 file management and enjoy secure and continuous file management so that way your data is accessible at all times. That way, if you're running into a problem, you can go back and get that data. And it's designed for creativity that's tailored for professionals and enthusiasts if you're an enthusiast like myself. And it also supports innovation across multiple domains, right? Now, a piece before we go in and show you actually how it works is BFL has released the latest Flux One tools, and they're done with modeling built-ins and workflow outputs as well. And you can even choose the COG Video X 1.5, 5B, 12V as well. So, and right now they have a Black Friday event. It started from the 15th of November and it's going on to the 2nd of December. So that way you can have the one of the biggest sales of the year, which is about 50% off recharges and 60% off promotional programs as well. So, and bargain GPUs can even save 50% as well. So, those prices, just to kind of give you an idea, is around 9 cents an hour, right? So, they even have the workflows, but let's go ahead and show you what's going on, right? So, let's go ahead and get a free launch going on, and we're going to let it load up. And here we go. Now we have, you have the tutorial hub as well and the apps, and you can even discover the workflows. But what about the workflows right here? So it's a hassle-free workflow access. That way you can skip installations, you can access workflows immediately as well, and operate applications without error, right? So like I said, I make a lot of mistakes, and this helps you do it without any problems. The storage efficiency with the templates as well, so you can actually use the template features to share workflows and actually reduce storage space. And you can even join the community, so you can engage with fellow users by joining their Discord, and actually where you're going to be able to share and recognize each other's workflows, and that can lead to valuable support and some other connections as well. But let's take a look at one for you guys. So let me do my favorite, which is Face Fusion, right? And I'll show you how, because this is going to be for the video and showing you guys, it's probably going to be a little bit better. So let's show you how this works. Now, you've seen where people have made their face look like the Peaky Blinders. You've seen where they can make even horror, and especially with Santa. Maybe you want to make your face look like Santa or somebody else, especially the holidays are coming up. Even a turkey, you can do whichever you like, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just one moment. Okay, now we're rocking and rolling. So this is the Face Fusion. Here we have frame processor, so you can do like face swapper, face debugger, the colorizer, lip syncer as well. You can use the providers like Tensor, Azure, CPU. You can even change the execution thread count as well. The video memory strategy, the output path, right? It's going to go to your data, app, assets, and output, right? So no worries. Now this is where at source, the picture, the target, right? So that would be like, what do you want it to blend with? So your photo, for example, or the photo you want to make going on. So the two pictures, right? So, okay. Now, remember, you can add or change, or you can kind of play around with the different settings that they have, like the face mask blur, the padding, the face mask padding bottom, the analyzer order, and so forth and so on, and even the detector size, like 64 by 640 by 640 as well. So let's go ahead and do this one. I'm going to use this photo of myself. That's what we're doing. And the target is going to be the boy here. I want to put myself as a little boy climbing a tree, right? And then we have our source. Oh, we got them wrong. Okay, let's see. I want the source here. That's me. The target is the boy. And I'm gonna click. Yeah, now you can see my face kind of mixing, which is kind of creepy. Let's start it. And so the preview, you can kind of change it, the reference face distance and so forth, right? But let me pull this up. So just going to go to my desktop and save it. And yeah, that's kind of creepy. That's very creepy, actually. So zoom this in just a taste. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That's pretty creepy, but you get the idea, right? So you can kind of change it along, and that way, and you can relaunch it and stuff. You can see the counter, right? But that's what we got. Now, you can play with it and blend it in. It's probably not the best idea of showing you, but it did it pretty well. Just, I kind of look like, I don't know, like if you've seen that movie Leprechaun, right? I kind of look like that. But that's what we got. So it's very easy to play around with Face Fusion. So what I would do is highly recommend you to go ahead and explore MimicPC's new functionalities and participate in their growing community for support and shared success as well. So you can engage with on their platform and and explore the innovative features and share your experience with them as well. So integrate these powerful tools in your projects seamlessly, of course, with MimicPC, and that way you're going to be able to drive your productivity and creativity to some new heights and connect with like-minded pioneers in AI technology. Go ahead and you can actually click on the link in the description and jump and try MimicPC now.